Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily install its app for your Android phone and how to set up your headphones with it. At first, the best way is to pair your headphones with the app is to make sure that you are paired with your headphones before pairing your headphones with the app. Now we have to open Play Store and here we have to go into search. Now we have to search for JBL headphones app. And now we just have to wait because I have poor internet connection. Here, as you can see, we have JBL headphones. We have to tap install here. It may take a while, so don't worry. Now, as you can see, we have 100% installing, and now we have to tap open. Now we have introduction to our application. Here we have to tap accept, allow for nearby devices, and as you can see, our app automatically detected our headphones. We have to tap on our headphones in our devices list, and here we have get started. We can set up headphones, but I will click later here, and now we are all done. That's it. Goodbye.